Hi, me again, Jenny, One Girl and Her Machines. I hope you are all well. I'm back today with another vlog. I'm wearing one of my Lego tanks that I made the other day. It's the ones with the oh dear, my words are not coming out today. The fabric from France that I got, so the leopard print teal and orange. This is what I mean about the brass wrap thing though. See? It makes me quite conscious. I don't like it. So yeah, so I hope that's sorted now anyway, and my other one, but that's why I like to wear a cardigan with it. I mean, if it's that hot, I won't care, but yeah, I don't like to show my bra straps. I am hoping today to try and make a V-neck blouse pattern. Obviously, I made the Sorbetto the other week, and I got that fitting quite nicely. So I know that the main body fits nicely. I'm happy adjusting the neck. That's not a problem. But I want to add on some sort of grown on sleeves, sort of batwing, small batwing type sleeves. I do have a blouse. I think I've still got it here. There we go. I do have a blouse. It's a ready to wear one, but I really like it. And it's, as you can see, it's got these sort of just little cap grown on sleeve type things. And that's the shape that I want to go for, but with a V-neck. So I do like this blouse. It really is pretty. I mean, it's a charity shop find. It's really, really good. Where is it from? It's a Wallace top. But I just want to make something similar, arms that are similar, but with a V-neck. So I'm hoping to tweak one of my Sorbetto pattern to make a pattern for a blouse that will be the blouse pattern that I will use most of the time, because as you may have worked out, when I find a pattern I like, I make a few of them, quite a few of them, and that's what I want to do, is find a blouse pattern that I'm comfortable with, that I'm happy with, that I can tweak here and there. You know, you can still change it, but one that I can make into my go-to pattern for a blouse. That I know will work every single time, that will look smart for school. I can wear it with jeans if I go out, because I've got all these beautiful fabrics now that I really want to use, and I still haven't found the blouse pattern. I have been eyeing up the patina blouse because it's got the V-neck and it's quite a nice loose fit, but I just can't, at the moment, I just can't afford it. So I need to find some way of making this that is not going to cost me anything, because I spent too much on fabric. There's a surprise. So I bought lots of fabrics. I think I even bought more the other day. Did I buy more the other day? I did buy more the other day. I'll tell you about them on Friday. I'm just a nightmare at the moment, but the fabrics I bought the other day were not all for me. You'll see more Friday. So hopefully I'm going to take you along today while I tweak this pattern, show you how I'm doing it, and hopefully I'll use it on some like leftover fabric that I've got from probably from my dress that I made the other week. And then once I know I'm happy with it, then I will use the nice fabric. So I'll take you along with that today. If you are wondering why I'm not wearing my glasses at the moment, it's not vanity. It's because you get the dreaded ring when you've got those ring lights on. You get the dreaded rings in the glasses, and all you can see is me looking like a little owl just like coming out at you. So I'm going blind for a minute, and then when I'm filming I'll put my glasses back on. So I hope you're all okay, and hopefully you will enjoy this vlog as I tweak my pattern. Okay, so I have my pattern, my Sorbetto pattern that I tweaked the other week. As you can see, it's got all the tweaks that I made, and I'm going to copy it out onto new paper, and then, but I'm not going to include the arms in it until I have decided how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to literally copy it all out up to there, and then up to there. And then I'm probably going to lay my top on it to see what line the sleeves take, because I don't want to just go straight down, because it looks like that would be too small for my arms. I haven't got the biggest arms in the world, but I don't want it to be tight, especially if it's a woven fabric. I don't want it to be too tight. So we'll do that. And also I'm not going to do the neck either. I'm going to leave that bit. Okay, so let's just copy that out. I will probably fast forward that as I do it, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, the front is done. I did forget last time to true up the dart, which basically means to make sure that when you cut it out, you have that extra flap on. Sorry, excuse me. You have the extra flap on, so that when you sew it down, the fabric is included in the side seam. So I did forget to true up the dart last time, so I've trued up the dart this time. I've had to tweak little bits here and there to the original drawing because, like, to realise that obviously you've got to have side seams on there, on the arm of some sort, so that I can attach it. Even if I'm just bias binding it or something, then I need something to attach it to. And then that's it really. Oh, and the neckline, I've done it very slightly curved. As you can see, it's not a straight line. It doesn't go. It's not completely straight, as you can see. It's ever so slightly curved because the body's not straight, the body is curved. So I've tried to make it so that I think it's a bit more flattering when you've got it a very, very slight curve on your V-neck. So yeah, that's the front bit. Now I need to get on with the back bit. Okay, so I have emulated the width of the shoulder seam, and I have made sure that the back side seam is the same as the front side seam in length once the dart is in place, and I've added on this curve here, which is also on the front pattern now. And then I've tried to draw a straightish, well, not straight, no, curved. I've done a curved line to make it go up to the shoulder. I don't want it to be too curved because obviously it needs to cover my back, my bra strap, etc. And it needs to be, obviously you've got more room in the back than you have in the front. I'm sort of like looking at it thinking, I'm not sure. Got more room in the back to cover than the front, but actually, do you know what? I think I'm going to do that just a little bit, because when you look at the back piece, there is a lot more curvature around to go around the arm. So I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut it out and see. Okay, so I have now got my a front and back piece cut out. Now, because I'm going to make it in a fabric that I'm not going to keep this top, so I'm literally just going to do the front and back piece, sew them together and see how they fit. And then I'll go from there. Hopefully then I'll be able to use the nice fabric. We will see. Keep your fingers crossed for me. So now I'm going to show you cutting out the fabric and trying it on, and the things that I will show you it being tried on, and I will show you the sort of things that I'm looking for, or what how I'll use it to tweak it. Sorry, so how I'll use it to tweak it. So I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so I have my front and back pieces all cut out, and then I'm just going to quickly sew it all together. So I'm just going to sew the dart, do the shoulder seams and the side seams, and then I will try it on to see what I think. So I'm just going to quickly show you me sewing it up. Okay, so it's looking quite good. The sleeves, the shoulders, I'm really pleased with them. I can lean forward, there's no pulling, there's no gaping. So I'm actually really pleased. The arms I think are fine. The only thing I think I will do is actually take this about an inch lower. I don't want to gape if I lean forward and help some children, but that's actually low enough that, not as low as it could be, and I still wouldn't like expose myself, shall we say. So I think if I went down to about there, and then I've got room then to bind it as well. So then if I bind it, it's going to take it down to there. I'm not too exposed. The actual body fitting, well, I mean, that was fitting fine anyway last time. It will go into a trouser nice. It's the sort of thing that I want. I want a nice floaty blouse that when I tuck it into a trouser or a skirt, it will, fit nicely, be comfortable, and just like a woven t-shirt basically, should we say. But yeah, really pleased so far. So now I just need to get my pattern altered to lower the neckline, and then I'm going to get on and I'm going to cut into my camo fabric, I think, because I've been waiting to do that one for ages, and make myself a top out of one of my nice fabrics. So I won't film that, I will just show you the reveal at the end. So there we go, not a bad morning's work. So I will be back later. Hi, so quick change, and this is the finished top, and I must say I am absolutely thrilled with it. It is, there's no pulling there, it doesn't hurt when I wear it. It's got the right length V. I can still bend down, I'm not exposing anything, but it's a nice V. I love the fabric, absolutely love the fabric. In fact, I've still got nearly a metre left. So I've just offered it to my mum and my sister, but apparently they wouldn't wear this fabric. So I might make myself a skirt, I don't know, or a pair of shorts or something, I don't know. But I love this fabric. Really pleased with this top. I definitely will be keeping this pattern. It's just the sort of thing that I like. I'm not exposing myself under there. Oh, just a tiny little bit, but nothing bad. Yeah, I'm ever so pleased with this top. And then if I want to tuck it in, please excuse the belly coming out, but if I want to tuck it in, I can tuck it into a skirt or a pair of trousers, and it will look absolutely fine. So yeah, all in all, thrilled with this top. I would say that was a success. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed what I've done today, and hopefully I will be back Friday. I should be back Friday with some more Friday sews. And just thank you all for those of you that have subscribed recently, because I am still blown away, absolutely blown away by actually people wanting to see me. It amazes me. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching. And if you've liked what you've seen and you haven't actually subscribed, then please do hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again on Friday. Bye.